Guys, this is really spooky thing in the wardrobe. It made a loud bang a minute ago. You just missed it. Whoa! Look at that! Ah, it's coming out! Ah, what is it? What is it? Right. This might be spooky. You might see something. Oh my god. What the heck is that? Closer. Nothing. Did you hear that? God, there's got to be something else in there. All this trucks. Oh my. Goodness me. This is gonna be wow, not cool. God, there must be something in the wardrobe. It's making all that noise. Well. What the hell was that? Oh my god. No. I can't open this. It's okay. It's only us. Us out. There's nothing in there though. Can't see anything. Oh my god. What the hell? What the hell was that?